All right, next up are lookup fields. So we talked about linked record fields, which are very powerful in and of themselves, but lookup fields really take linked record fields to the next level. So as we know, linked record fields allow us to connect data from one table into another table, but lookup fields allow us to pull data from one table into another table. So a super simple example I can show you right now is I'm going to, instead of using the email as the display here, I'm going to send this back to using the primary field as the display. And what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and kick James off this project. I want to pull the email of the assignee from our people table so that I can use it in automations downstream, right? So what I'm going to do is, there's two ways to do this. You can either right click on the field and click add lookup fields, or you can create a new field, type in lookup, and then determine what the lookup source is going to be. So it's already the assignee because I don't have any other lookup or linked record fields. And then I can choose the email as my field to lookup. So I can title this field assignee email, for example, and I can create it, and now I can see every single email of each of these assignees of the projects. All right, so let's look at this assignee email in a little bit more detail. So you can see there's more than one option that we can configure here, right? So say we wanted to, first let's call this field assignees, allow multiple records, and then I'm going to turn off this filter. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to link all these people here. Oops. I'm going to link all these people here. But in my assignee email, I want to only return the project manager's email, right? So let's use this checkbox here, the only include linked record fields from the people table that meet certain conditions, to add a filter to the role that only shows emails from people who have a role of project manager. Now when I create that, even though I have multiple people linked here, it's only going to give me back emails of the people who have met those certain conditions, which in this case are the people who have the role of project manager, like John here. All right, so that is powerful to use to help you, pull certain records from the people, or certain data from the people table that meets your particular criteria. We can also, instead of using this option, we can also sort these records. So say we wanted to sort the emails alphabetically. We can sort those emails before they get put into this field. And as we can see, we've got James, Jenny, John, for if you ever needed to sort your emails before you sent them. But you can think of how many different use cases this could apply to, whether you're sorting the people based on their name, whether you're sorting the people based on a certain number value, how many projects they have connected to them. And so that can be powerful for whatever you might need it for. And then the last thing is you can limit the number of items shown. So you can show either the first X number of items or the last X number of items. So that would be the first or last emails, or the last one email of those people that are linked to your record people field. So Jenny has been the last one linked, so now we have the email of the last person linked to the assignees field. All right, so those are lookup fields. In the next videos, we're going to go through rollups and counts and whatnot, which allow us to continue building on our linked record fields. But thanks for watching. If you want more information and community on how to build Airtable, we have an Airtable builders community that is going to be linked in the description. Make sure you check it out. We've got templates, resources, etc., and a network of builders. We'd love to see you there, but until then, see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.